This is Roger Dodger, aka uh, JB Weld. Actually, they're probably gonna get a call from those guys for using the name, but actually, I did JB Weld it because I didn't know what I was doing with that. So, just wanted to show you a little something here with this gun. This gun has a little trigger. You turn this thing on. It's got a trigger. That's the wire feed. So it's not turned on right now, so it's not feeding wire. And you see the little wire sticking out of the head. And this is what I was going to practice welding on. And I got my ground there. And then I've got my magnificent welds, my very first ones. You saw it first. So what I didn't know is that I thought when I touched this wire like that, of course this is on because I don't have my helmet on, but I thought when I touched the wire, it would spark. So I thought the guy sold me a bad welder because it's an old welder. It's an old Lincoln Weld Pack 100 arc welder, whatever. Got the settings on it. So, man, I spent 2 days researching why the thing wouldn't work. And then I had an epiphany. I thought, hey, what if I touch it to my piece of metal and pull the trigger at the same time? What a novel idea. And I did, and guess what? It worked. Yeah.